How to use Beanstox app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The Beanstox app was designed to help you invest effortlessly and build wealth automatically. But here's the truth, most beginners use it the wrong way and end up slowing down their growth. Let's fix that. The first mistake new users make is treating Beanstox like a trading app. It's not for chasing stock trends or timing the market. Beanstox follows a long-term, diversified investing strategy. Think steady growth, not quick flips. So resist the urge to buy and sell frequently. Next, many people skip goal setup. During onboarding, Beanstox asks you about your goals, retirement, savings or passive income. If you rush through those questions, your portfolio won't match your real financial needs. Spend time answering carefully. Another big mistake? Not enabling automatic deposits. The whole point of Beanstox is to make investing simple and consistent. By setting up recurring contributions even as little as $20 or $50 a week, you harness the power of dollar cost averaging. That's how wealth builds quietly in the background. Pro tip: review your portfolio once every few months, not every few days. Beanstox automatically rebalances and adjusts your investments, so constant checking only adds stress. And here's the surprising truth: the most successful Beanstox users aren't finance experts. Are people who stay consistent, trust the process, and let time do the heavy lifting. Used properly, Beanstox turns small, steady investments into long-term growth, helping you build wealth the calm and confident way.